Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. The eight business boosting the benefits of search engine optimization. They're very important topics. The eight benefit of search engine optimization. Your business top total presentation. My channel top eight SEO benefits and your business, and I can present the step by step these videos. When use strategy search engine optimization, SEO can provide business with the many benefits, including increase in web traffic and more qualified leads coming. Those are the sale panel, art and core. Search engine optimization has potential bring more organic attention to your business, which is made is caused by anything, and understand your because from the search engine can be developed and approaching high ranking content rich and your targeted audience and why to meet that they are needed. By understanding and imitating the search engine optimization practice will not increase the business, grow your highly engagement. It is the search engine optimization topics you can research and learn about this in digital marketing boost your business. Top 8 search engine benefits. Top 8 SEO benefits with the right the search engine optimization search engine strategy. You can grow brand awareness, increase the company revenue, and even gain an ad crave and the for your business. And below we have other 8 and clear benefit includes search engine optimization into your marketing strategy regarding industries and campaign size. Search engine benefits number 1, bring organic search traffic your website. Bring organic search traffic your website. Organic traffic consistent of viewers who find your website through the search engine to perfectly guide to traffic. Your website should be effective optimized to goal for a Google to recognize that your website offer the most relevant answer to question people are asking. There are approximate in the performance average. The end whole right. See strategy your business can complete computer to sum of those search results. One of the best way to improve your search engine optimization it is forecast you know that and real to business and that information you own to their audience. Google's web can experience very site and web traffic and knows why in friendly increase the general trust. There are both and they determine the best answer the use query. If you are the posted, then according and the non-appropriate the example thinks you are the user will search and words and there are used. Currently in your post and throws answer the question Google will award the post of high rank is the relevance. Number 2, search engine optimization benefits to the great lead cost effectively. The number 2, search engine optimization benefit the great lead costly effectively as a from the individual market as per score calling and sending understand email and advertising. Search engine optimization is one the most cost effective way to grow your online process when the application and studies and saying SEO search and optimization always you can grade in the phones of people who are looking for your products your service have a search to specific them related to your post or listing. You can up the your website as you search the lead the frames and real comment. The visitor measures online activities state which is search embrace and online bring the platform instinct 93% call all our online experience start with the search engine. What more the search engine optimization does explain, unlike paid online ads that are top bring the traffic. When is the campaign it overall match, and search engine optimization can content bring the high quality traffic to your website on time. Number three, the benefits increase brand awareness. Search engine optimization, the benefits number three, increase brand awareness. You want to go start on the industry and leads for your about an audience, the solution your audience, the 1.88 billion website online. How to ensure that the public recognition your brand, and the search engine optimization SEO strategy is one of the best way and accomplish is the goal. At a first page ranking on Google, the top page ranking on Google increase your visibility and your others and are important. The connect mass search engine queries should see increased number of click, which is contain grow and engage and trust level. The create by own your search engine optimization can start giant event to lead great and brand awareness. Keep in mind, the brand awareness is just people recommend in mind. They should all know what your brand start in the great help service provide the content marketing about grow you're able to information understand trust and care, and there's the question and trust and easily convert and lead and your sales. Number four, search engine benefit number four, search engine optimization, the benefit number four, great your and the competitors. All industry have competitors, just your old study and competitors pink marketing strategy, show strategy, there are strategy website and the others tool uses the keyword and campaign and rank and the many products and content they are have line strategy mass and more. One or the more and keyword process then create a strategy out of competitor. One of to do's the competitor is displayed. The number five, the benefits of number five, optimize your website for mobile user. There are more number of the mobile search engine daily 61% people search engine the condition of mobile device, but doesn't the translate and be your business of your site. Optimize for mobile user, you can reach bring the by more than half of targeted audience. Not only that is the Google will automatically rank and mobile optimize website hires. At that on this whole is the website is to rank in PC. Format button size and beacons and don'ts is set as user instant. The search engine optimization benefits of four. The build trust. Everyone, the strategy, search engine optimization, the strategy, build customer trust and your brand taken time. Invent in query content of your read and because trusted search up to data and information can improve the way the customer views or the increase your ranking. Google Insight, this is the look and specific word rank your site. Number seven, SEO benefits number seven, search engine optimization, the benefit seven, important all your to others market strategy. When you supplement organization search engine with paid, include an outbound marketing, your search engine optimization study may reach new higher. Since content important is a good, keep the bank and right and source create your marketing and provide useful information, answer relevant and the question. You are the first position, the Google first page ranking, many increase in potential customer trust and they are organic front of your business. Your search in optimization also given the interest and industry trends and then development. When popular search trend revise with the information popular, find most valuable and e-commerce. the Google ranking at the first page of search and optimization. If your business also engages paid search advertising, your site could appear more than one of the first page search result. If you paid the rank to top Google search result, the organic search engine ranking the higher. Number 8, the benefits of number 8 search and optimization when you great people into your brand and matters. Search engine just your online business. When the people search engine for a new site and people are they traffically to Google and they are main of the search engine on Google. User individual location details have been search based the search and query and according and Google. That lot of new customer bring thought the right search and optimization strategy. If your business and physically and locally make sure people can find the online and there's the physical local, make sure people who can the online help and increase traffic and store, make sure Google keyword local and kinds of service and provide an increase in traffic and bring your more matter location, the more business and more business. The 8 benefits, top 8 benefits of search engine optimization. 8 your business boosting your benefits of search engine optimization. Total presentation, my videos, top 8 search engine benefit is. Thank you, best of luck.